Welcome back, ladies and gents. Going to attempt... I was reviewing the last video, and I think that dragon did indeed damage the prawn, because I looked at the video just before when I was in the prawn and doing this, and when I got out of the prawn suit, it was still at 100%. And after the dragon attack, when I got in it, as you saw, it was at 67%. 67%. So but see that right there? I think that was actually damaging the prawn suit. I don't know if that's meant to be or it's just a game glitch. But I'm going to keep the prawn suit over on this side. Also had a thought. This is a big room. There's a lot going on here. Where was this where the Stargate was? I don't recall. I think this is where the Stargate was. I put an ion cube in that thing. Did it somehow reset? Wait a minute. Okay, I've not been here. Did I go in the wrong? I've forgotten which room was the Stargate now. Okay, there's more than one Stargate in here. That's got to make 3, right? Because I activated one of them, and there's 2 right there that are not activated. Three, 4, because 3 are unactivated. That means there's 4 here, at least. There's another data thing. Yeah, this is something I could spend a lot of time. This has got to be the one that I activated, right? This is the last room. Yeah, okay, so there's 5 Stargates here? I'm going to have to do some... Bring out my sketch pad here. What was that just popped up as a scannable? Something here as I ran by just popped up as a scannable. At least I saw a pop-up in the bottom right, I think. Maybe it was just distance as one of these. Huh. Alright, I guess I imagined it. Alright, apparently I have scanned all of these. I remember... Okay, I remember... Now, did I do all of the other side? I think this is the side I started on. I'm pretty sure this is the side I started on. Did I scan all of these already? Oh, they're just... I didn't review the whole video, obviously. There's what I said looked like the yin and yang. But Oh. Yeah, you gotta... Apparently that dragon can... Yeah, that's all it is. I'm guessing whether it's a glitch or it's intended, the dragon can fire into this place. So that's something to be constantly aware of. Okay, so here's the plan then. I'm going to put... Okay, I came in right there. So starting on the right, I think that's the one I put. Let me get those... Let me get that ion cubes. I'm going to activate every one of those stargates. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. I don't know where they go, but they take an ion cube to activate, and I'm right here with a continuous source of ion. I've got 2 on me. 3, 4, 5. That ought to be enough, right? Okay, here's the first one when you come in on the... Hold on. Okay. You come in from the north side because I'm facing south, and that's the way you come in. So that means that's the north side. And then immediately to the right, there is one. Okay. And I think this next room was the yeah, it is. This is the something going on out there. I don't know what this is.
This room appears to be a biological archive storing more than 40 indigenous egg specimens in different states of development.
Okay, this is the egg room. Second right. Third right is another Stargate. This ought to be interesting because I've only been through one Stargate. So I don't know where the rest of these would go. I think I've only been through one Stargate. I'm only aware of where one of them goes. All right, now I'm recognizing that this is another Stargate. The patterns are all the same. Each hallway looks the same. Even the one where there's two, like the egg room and that other thing. If you turn to the right, it's a dead end, and on the left is the way you go. And they both look exactly like that. See here, the right is a dead end, but the left is the way you go, and this is the extra. What is this called? Come on, am I going to get a PDA notice? Okay, I don't know what this is yet. But it's not a Stargate. I think that would mean this is a Stargate. Yeah, this is the design for a Stargate room. Ah, that's the one I activated. Okay. Now the question is, does that make this Grand Central Station? Let me check something here. Oh, what is this? What did I forget to read? Oh. All right, the egg room. All right, I want to try something. I'm going to go back to the Cyclops.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
This thing is not damaged. Let's grab this. I'm going to look in this direction so I can see that dragon if it attacks again. And move out of the way. Let's see where it's... if I can make it down there. Back to the Cyclops. Do I have the... no. Where is the dragon? There it is, right there. Alright. That looks like sulfur. Oh, I also don't see that it may be dead. The batteries may be dead. I don't see the bunch of leeches on it. I see them around it, but I don't see any on it. Ooh, that was supposed to be safe.
Aboard,
I think is the battery dead?
Systems online.
No, 47. Oh, it's charging. Is it charging? Yeah, I think it's charging now that I got rid of them, because there's none on it now, see? So the batteries are charging. Okay, this is what... I had a thought. Let me check something here. I hear you, buddy. I hear you. If only I could pull the thorn out of your paw. Extra points if you get that reference. Alright. Where's he at? Let me top my food off. Replant. Okay, now, oh. Maybe he just goes there periodically because I'm over... I see the leeches are back on. See, I'm over here, and maybe he's just programmed to head to the entrance and spew fire into it. It's got nothing to do with me. I just happen to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. Or the wrong place at the right time, depending on how you look at it. But if he's going to hang out there, I got to get back. Yeah, this is... How come one time it doesn't burn me and the next time it does? Now, I don't know where he went. He's on the other side, so I'm just going to... I'm going to do what I have been doing. I'm just going to run it. Oh, no. Yeah, I'm just going to run it because I ain't got no choice now. Ugh. Come on, get up. Get in there. Go. Look at there, 61%. I think if he spews fire in here, it may really be problematic for this suit. Okay, I got through. We want to go all the way over here. Let me repair this right off the bat. That's a lot of damage. I don't want to tangle that thing. Okay. Now that I've got all these stargates activated, let's finish. Let's go to those. Let me get that data crystal, whatever, tablet. Enzyme 42
Integrating
project
new PDA data.
Let's hear what that has to say. Or let's read that. Enzyme 42 project data, according to translated data logs, an indigenous Leviathan species is found to produce a unique substance referred to as enzyme 42, which inhibited the symptoms of the Kara bacterial infection in other indigenous organisms. The specimen was captured and contained in a purpose-built habitat for further study. The alien researchers went to great lengths to provide for the life form's environmental needs, including the import of interdependent flora and fauna via an on-site. Okay, these are called warp gates, I guess, instead of stargates. I'm probably still going to call them stargates. Independent flora and fauna via an on-site warp gate. However, its health quickly deteriorated. When quarantine was imposed, all warp gates and force fields were sealed. All attempts to develop the enzyme into a vaccine had been unsuccessful. Now let's see what's up here. Nothing. Apparently that's empty. I can't tell if these are holding cells. Preserved egg casing. Sea Emperor. Shell composition. The shell casing is formed from thick layers of carbon composite, suggesting an extensive gestation period. This Leviathan species may give birth just once per century, perhaps just once in their lifetimes. Shell casing incisions. Precision incisions suggest, say that 10 times real fast, suggest a laser-based tool was used to cut open the egg casing and forcibly remove the fetus inside prior to full gestation. Analysis. Time pressure to develop a bacterial vaccine may have driven the alien researchers to cut open this egg and remove the fetus for study. It is also possible that removed from its parent and natural habitat, some vital condition for the infant to hatch naturally was not met. That's possible. In which case, them not allowing it its full gestation time also might have had the same effect, and it may not have produced the enzyme 42 that they discovered in the adults, right? So they could have just cut themselves in the foot. Oh, that's the fetus. I thought that was might be one of the aliens. Found preserved in a display case, it was likely a child of the adult specimen contained within. There's one of those in here in the facility, or is that the one that escaped outside? Physiology. Superficial damage to the specimen indicates it was artificially removed from its egg casing. Stunted tissue development suggests the organism expired during the removal process. Tissue samples have been taken from the digestive tract. Analysis. It appears aliens are attempting to formulate a cure for the bacterium from enzyme produced in this specimen's digestive system. Without a young, healthy specimen, these efforts were in vain. Okay, so they did not ever create the cure, which is about 2 videos ago or so. I had that question about that. You know, whatever become of them. But it says here that we don't believe they ever were able to make a cure. I'm going to get some more ion cubes. I've lost track of how many I have and how many I need. I've got those blueprints still on the right-hand side.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
1 per... Okay, so I need 1 ion cube per battery and 2 batteries per... And that's... I need an ion cube for the purple tablet and a blue tablet. I don't even remember now what I need the blue tablet for. How many does this thing have in storage? I'm going to take these. We'll grab some more. I don't know. For me, I think just grab as many as I can while I'm here. I mean, a reasonable number. I'm not going to get 100, for example. But you figure you'd want at least 12 for the Cyclops, 1 full spread of 6 and 6 backups. And then you want 2 for the prawn, which I have 2 in now, and then 2 backups. So that's 12, 14, and then you'd want 2 for the sea moth. That's 16. So that's at least 32. And then you want a couple of spare for the blue tablets and the purple tablet. So about 38, actually. 38. All right, now this is... Where's that other room at? Was this a blue tablet? Was this what a blue tablet? Yeah. And I don't have it. Oh, did I look? Is it on the... I should have looked now because I don't remember. It seems like I may have brought it with me, but it may be on the... I've got to check. Is it... Where's the... Actually, no, it's too hot. It's too hot to swim it. I got to know now if I've got the blue tablet on me. And I don't hear the dragon anywhere. I thought I heard it. There it is. Let's see where it goes. Looks like it's turning to its right. Okay, go. This thing's still at 100%. All right, this was at 46%. Let's see what it's at now. I can see the leeches back on it, though.
Welcome aboard, Captain. All systems online.
65. So it is charging, even with the leeches on it. Let me bop those leeches again. I just want to do 1. That took it down to 61. Now, do I have... I know I just looked through here, but I just don't remember. Did I bring the blue tablet with me? I Got enough kyanite, it looks like. Wow, I don't have it, and all these lockers are full, aren't they? Yeah, they're jam-packed. Okay. Well, let me finish exploring here. Let me see where this thing's at before I go out. And then I'll retop my... Oh, there he is. Alright, I topped my food off. Food and water. Let's go to the bottom this time. All right. There he is over there. I already know that looks like one hit from him and I went down to 61%. So that's 39%. So it looks like 3 hits would destroy. And that's assuming that is max damage. 3 hits would destroy the prawn. He's not supposed to go over there. Because I didn't think he would fit back in there. Let me get on the camera and see what he's doing. Because that's a... Where did he go? Yeah, he don't fit back here. Where did he go? I'm guessing he glitched into the walls like I've seen the others do. Alright, I'm gonna go. Run. Okay. I'm gonna go to that other room that I haven't explored yet. After I harvest these things. Alright, I don't have the blue cube with me, so I cannot go in that room. Let's see what this is all about. Get this data entry since it's not... There's no PDA pop-up telling me what room this is. Although... I think it's a Six Flags for peepers. See the peepers going through the water pipe? I was going to say water slide, but it's not really a... Oh, wait a minute. Let me scan this. It is an outflow pipe. Enzyme host peepers leaving the containment facility. The outflow pipes are filled with peepers traveling back towards the surface. Specimens show no symptoms of infection. All specimens scanned are carrying enzyme 42, which data suggests inhibit the bacterium. Specimens' stomach cavities are otherwise empty, suggesting they may have purged the contents before entering the pipes. Assessment. If peepers have evolved to distribute the enzyme via the pipe network, this may explain part of the mechanism by which life on this planet has survived since bacterial outbreak. Okay, so but where are the peepers getting the enzyme from? The peepers are spreading the cure across the planet. But where are they getting it from? I can't see over that. Yeah, let me just go ahead and get this data entry.
Integrating new PDA data.
Oh, that's here. All right, this is inflow. The other one I saw was outflow. The pipes drawing water into the containment facility are filled with peepers arriving from the surface. The fish show no signs of distress. The specimens scanned have all consumed high quantities of seeds and organic matter from the surface. Some specimens are beginning to show the signs of infection. Okay, so the ones coming in are infected, and the ones going out are cured, or contain the enzyme 42. Where's that? There it is. Water flowing to and from the primary containment facility is being automatically controlled independently of other safeguards. Data on the water composition has been recorded. Water is being drawn from the different biomes around the surface of the planet. The water temperature is considerably lower than a volcanic environment outside the facility, while microorganisms and nutrient counts are substantially higher. Oxygen-deprived water is being flooded from the system and recycled back to the surface. All right, so the water's cooler and it has a lot more microorganisms and nutrients. And then on the way out, water is being flooded from the system and recycled back to the surface. Yeah, but it doesn't say anything about where are the peepers getting the enzyme from? I can't really see. Okay, I can go down. Looks like there's another level. There's nothing in here except those plants. I don't know if that's a light or some kind of a... Isn't that called Gabe something? I don't know why. I remember that because, you know, Gabe Newell, Steam. But I think that's called Gabe. Gabe something. Where's Databank? Geological data. No. Scratch that. Indigenous life forms. Flora. C. Gabe's ghostweed. Why did I think? Oh, there's Gabe's feather. Which one is this? That is Gabe's feather, right? Yeah. This plant grows almost exclusively in deeper waters where its hand-like leaves have evolved to filter sediment from the environment. It is likely dependent on the excretions of fauna populating the waters above and around it. Okay, so if it exists on poop, which is excretions basically, how is it existing here if there's no creatures pooping on it? Let's say fertilizing it. What else is over here? I can't see down there. I don't know what this is. Have I seen that blue thing there? Oh wait, yeah, I've seen the blue thing. That's like a blue nettle. Is that what that's called? But I was thinking about those things that look like tentacles. Is that what I'm looking at? That a cave bush? No. It's not the stinger. Where is that blue? Oh, violet. No. That's it. Veined nettle. Is that what those are? I don't think so, actually. It might be. It might be. A common shallow water plant. Thick, veiny, colored seeds grow around the base. Okay, so what else is in there? This... I don't... Oh, that is that cave thing, isn't it? Yeah, that's a cave bush. Purple luminescent species which grows well on hardy terrain away from sunlight. Okay, what else? I don't know what those things are that look like tentacles. I don't recall having seen anything like that. But then again, this has been a long run. Look like tentacles. Other than the, you know, that stinging thing that's drooping from the roof of... Why is there no picture of this? Why is there no picture of that one? Alright, well, I don't know. I don't know what these are. I don't know what their significance is. But if if they're here, they got to be... Let's see if I can go down somewhere. This is where I just was. There's a down. Oh, is this the way I... No, this is not the way I came in. That's the way I came in. Alright, we'll go down to the next level and see what's down here. Okay, that's... Don't ask me how I remember this, but that's a brain coral. That's what produces the oxygen. Brain coral? You know, I guess I never scanned one of those. Oh, here's some more stuff that I didn't. Exploitable. And land. Although they wouldn't be... I guess I never did scan a brain... Now I'm starting to wonder if that's right. Brain coral? Is that what it's called? I think. Anyway, it produces oxygen. Because I've refilled my tanks a couple times while hovering over it. And this is... I don't know what that is. Does long yellow... Doesn't ring a bell. Another thing that doesn't ring a bell. And I can hear those replicators. He's over there. I don't think I've seen this long yellow thing before. Withering weed. It won't be land. It could be exploitable. These are things that I all know about and have used for one thing or another. Alright, is this it? Is there nothing else here? That thing is in here. Oh, geez, Louise. Someone tell me if that's meant to be that way or that's just a graphic glitch. Because I don't know... If the tentacles touch you, do you die? Okay, I think that's everything. I don't think there's anything else to explore here. With the exception of the stargates, of course. And find out where each one goes. But I'm a little hesitant to do that. Because I haven't found 5 other stargates. The only one I think I know of for certain is the laser gun island, Stargate. Yeah, this is everything in here. I just want to go down one more time to make sure that I didn't inadvertently miss anything. While I was staring in these tanks. It seems like there's more piping underneath that goes lower, but you can't get any lower to it unless this is... I can hear one walking in there, but I don't see... There's no way to get in there. Looks like a bored cube. That's what this whole thing looks like. The inside of a bored cube is what I think of when I see this. Right down to the color, I would say. Alright, let's grab some more ion cubes. That's the Stargate I activated, right? The first one? Yeah. I mean, I activated all of them, but this is the very first one I activated. But I never went through it, or any of them, actually. And I'm a little hesitant to do so, because I don't know... I mean, this is obviously Grand Central Station. And you're meant to be able to travel from various locations here, but I don't know if there are other planet... Oh, man. Come on. I don't want to inadvertently hit that. I've got to go back and get the blue tablet, no matter what else I do.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
But if I could travel via Stargate... But the thing is, when you get to the other side, what's going to be there? More importantly, if I couldn't get back and I didn't have the Cyclops, how would I get back here? I'd have to hope that the prawn would be sufficient. Although I'd starve. I would probably, you know, I don't have any water or food. Which is, I'm gonna go right now and top off my water and food. Then I don't think I have any choice but to go through those Stargates to see where they lead. I don't even see it. I don't hear it. Well, there it is. Now I hear it.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Thank you.
All
Thanks very much.
systems online.
100%. Excellent. Excellent. Do I got room to... Yeah. This is probably going to be a bad idea. But I think I've got to go through the Stargates. See, this is a central location. How did I miss one of those? How on earth did I miss one of those? I guess I just miscounted. Alright, so there's one that's empty. 2, 3, and hit the 4th one. Alright. Where is our resident bad guy? I don't know. I'm gonna hit this thing again, since it's recharging itself. Sounds like he's behind me, but again, I can't see behind me unless I go into the... Let's take a peek and see what we can see. Alright, I'm good. There he is over there on the right. How is the prawn suit damaged again? I have to be missing something. Are the little replicators attacking it when I'm walking away from it? Okay, this is, I've got about 10 minutes left on the recording, but I don't think that's enough time to go through these Stargates, and I want to do them all in one episode. So I'm gonna end it right here, and then when I come back, when I start the next one next week, I want to take a chance, and I'm gonna go through each one of these Stargates. I'm also gonna take the time to map out this room with an entrance, and then so I know which entranceway does what, and then when I travel through the Stargate, I'll know where it goes, and I'll have a map, or I have it written down where it goes, and I also harvest. You know what? That's what I can do. I can harvest the last few minutes. I can harvest these. There we go. All right, well, I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.